Okay, so let's edit this photo. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first, turn it on the exposure a little bit. Okay, let's kill the highlights a little bit. There's a little bit too much. Shadows, pop the shadows up a little bit. Temperature's good. Let's get some of these colors out of here. There we go. That's already looking way cooler. Let's get some dehaze. Oh yeah. A little bit of vignette. Okay, let's put some masks on it. So let's do the headlight a little. Headlights don't usually have to be perfect because you're putting a soft glow on anyway, so turn the exposure up a little bit on it. Let's do the wheels. Turn those up a little bit. Add another one back here. There we go. The gradient. Put a little one over here. And then there's light coming from over here. So let's get some more light. Okay, that looks a ton better. And then go ahead, you could remove every one you want. So let's get a before and after. Night and day. Wow.